There are approx 270 species of snakes so far recorded from India. Snakes are found in a variety of habitats from arid deserts to wet western ghats, hills to oceans, streams, rivers, lakes, underground, and even on trees. Snakes come in different shape, size, and color depending on their habit and habitat. Snakes are reptiles and hence are cold blooded and need to maintain their body temperature by moving into sun or shade. Most snakes hibernate for this reason during winters as the conditions are not favorable for them. The snakes are always misunderstood due to the lack of knowledge and awareness. They are beautiful and most important creatures of our ecosystem. We all are taught from very small age that all snakes are dangerous. However, not all snakes are venomous and only few species are venomous. Snakes have usually two types of venom, hemotoxic and neurotoxic. Snakes use the venom to kill its prey rather than in self defense. The venom also helps them in digesting the food as they swallow their food. All snakes lay eggs, but in some species, eggs hatch inside their body and the young ones are born. Since they keep growing, so they keep shedding their skin regularly. Barred wolf snake is a non-venomous snake and nocturnal in nature. It can attain a length of 3 feet and looks like common carrot. It feeds on geckos and skinks. Bronzeback tree snake is a beautiful non-venomous tree snake. Its color and slender body gives it a good camouflage among trees and plants. It is fast-moving snake and their diet includes frogs and geckos. They lay their eggs in a tree hole or bird's nest. They are diurnal in habit and jump from one branch to another. Their eyes are very big and when they are disturbed, they inflate their body to display the beautiful pattern which is to scare. Burmese python is a large snake which is non-venomous and kill its prey by constricting it. Small python looks for small prey like rats, frogs, birds and hare, while big snakes are seen killing goats and deer. Common wolf snake is another non-venomous snake and found throughout India. This is also a nocturnal snake which looks for geckos and skinks. It can easily climb walls. They have prominent white and yellow bands on their body with black eyes. Sometimes this snake plays a trick to save itself from the enemy. It will coil its head and neck pretending it is going to die. Checkered keelback is found in water bodies and is a non-venomous snake. On ground, they move in sidewinding manner, while in water, they swim very fast. It's an aggressive snake by nature. Common trinket snake is a thin and long non-venomous snake which is diurnal in nature and also found throughout India. Like many snakes, its diet includes rats, lizards, frog and small mammals like squirrel. Indian rat snake is amongst most common snake which is found throughout India. It is also a non-venomous snake. Since it looks like cobra, which it does to mimic to protect it from enemy but often killed by human for this reason. It is called rat snake due to its main diet but also feeds on frogs, bats, lizards, birds and other snakes. It is a fast moving snake and can climb trees with ease. When cornered, will show aggression by inflating the body. Copper-headed trinket snake is also a non-venomous snake, which has a beautiful pattern on their body. Such body patterns also provide them a good camouflage. It can grow 5 to 6 feet in length. Most of the snakes will try to escape, but when they feel cornered, will try to scare by inflating their body and try to attack by using S formation. Forreston's cat snake is a mildly venomous snake. It can grow 7 to 8 feet long. This snake is usually nocturnal in nature and lives in tree hollows. Common cat snake is again a mildly venomous snake which is very common and found throughout India. It looks like saw-scale viper. This is also a good climber and looks for small prey on trees like lizards and birds. Striped keelback is a non-venomous snake and very common which is found all over the country. Common kukri snake is also a non-venomous small snake. Twin spotted wolf snake is another beautiful looking snake. Common krait is a venomous snake and nocturnal in nature. Russell's viper is also a common venomous snake which looks like python. When disturbed, they make loud noise.
क्या मस्त लग रहा है सेंसर इसका गड्ढे में पड़ा है।
Spectacled cobra is amongst one of the most common venomous snake which is found in India. It can be easily identified by the marking on its hood. When approached, it raises its hood and makes hissing sound. It can grow 4 to 5 feet long. King cobra is the longest venomous snake in the world. It can grow 20 to 22 feet. It is a snake eater snake and can kill an elephant with its venom. King cobra female lays the eggs in a nest made with dead leaves. They can raise two-thirds of their body. Snakes are among the most important creatures of our ecosystem. To keep the balance, we need to protect the snakes also.